Morning everyone, I hope everybody is doing fine. So today we'll be doing the MCQs based on calculus. So there we go for your first MCQ. You take your time and solve this, and afterwards I'll be giving the solution for this thing. So limit x tends to pi, sin x by x, x minus pi. Options are 1, 2, minus 1 and 2. So first of all I'll give you a hint of this. This will be turned as pi minus x, and this thing will be pi minus x taking minus common. Take this 1 minus 1 common outside and then bring this to LHS. You'll be getting minus 1 as your answer. And students have understood this thing. Great. If you haven't understood, there goes the solution for this thing. Pi minus x as it is, pi minus x taking minus common, bring this minus outside, x minus pi, keeping this in mind, okay? X minus pi tends to 0 and pi minus x tends to 0 means the same, where you're multiplying minus 1 on both the sides. So applying this property of limits, we get minus 1 here. As your answer, limit x tends to 0, keeping in mind x stays same out here. Over here, x is your pi minus x. Okay, this thing gives you minus 1 as your answer. Okay, that's it for this numerical. Moving on to the next one, we have sin x. Sorry, this is 1 minus cos x. So options are 2, 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 and 1. So this will be your solution. Kindly go through it once. One minus cos x can be written as 2 sin square x by 2. Then bring this x square down out here and multiply and divide by 4. Then deduct this thing and separate the limits. You get 2 cos x. This will be 1 and this will also be 1. So finally your answer comes out to be 2, which is option number A. Okay, that's it for this numerical. Moving on to the third one, we have this one. Before seeing to the solution, just make sure you try this question on your done. X minus 1, x, you do a plus minus 1 out here, you will get the answer because of the property, this one. Okay, and a to the power n minus 1. Okay, that's it. You subtract and add plus and minus 1 out here, and now keeping in mind minus 1 to the power anything is 1. So your answer will be n, option number A. That's it for third numerical. Moving on to the fourth one. Options are right here. X to the power m, x to the power n minus 1 minus 1. So again you have to bring this to this form. What you have is divide by x minus 1 throughout numerator and the denominator. You will get the answer as this one will give you m x to the power m minus 1. Okay, a to the power, sorry, and 1 to the power anything will be 1. So this will give you, numerator will give you m, denominator will give you n. So your answer will be m by n, which is your option number B, I guess. Yeah, this one. So the last numerical for today will be this one, which will be turned in for your homework. Okay, kindly copy the previous one and then move on to this numerical, and this will be your homework for today. Tomorrow we'll be discussing this numerical. 5 numericals for today is enough. That's it for today's class. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.